All right, so today we're doing 1B. So if you have not done page 9, gone through and read each of these statements about PETA, Maya, Hadley, Aria, Leah, and Sierra, I want you guys to go through and try matching each of these expressions with their story. So if you say PETA is D, let's put a D next to PETA. Just let me know that you went through when you read each of these. We're going to go ahead and go over those tomorrow in class. But before we do that, we're going to go down here to page 10 and read each of these situations. So for me, it's really important that you guys underline key information in these. Okay. Number 2 says, Tim took his friends to the movies. He started with $40 and bought 3 movie tickets that each cost X dollars. He also bought 1 tub of popcorn that was $5.75. Which of the following expressions represents the amount of money Tim has left? Well, we know Tim started with $40, but then he bought 3 movie tickets that were each X dollars. So that means I can subtract X, that's 1, 2, 3. That would represent the tickets that Tim purchases. So which of the following represents the amount of money Tim has left? Let's look at this first one. Tim starts with 40. He takes away X, takes away X, takes away X. Great. Takes away 575 because of that popcorn. That works. Here, he has 40. He subtracts 3X, and then he subtracts 575. How is this statement different than this statement? Well, you might be saying, Mr. Dursky, they tackle the 3 onto the X. Right. Will that work? Why or why not? Yeah, that will work because negative X, that gives you negative 3X. This one right here will not work. But Mr. Dursky, you subtract 3. Right. Remember, we don't know how much the movie tickets are. This is saying he starts with $40 and he subtracts $3 and then another 575. That will not work because we don't know how much tickets are. Close. Okay. Will this one work? What's different about this one? Well, negative 3x is the same, so that looks good. How do you think we get that 3425? Yeah, 40 minus 575 gives me that 3425. So they're combining these like terms here. Yes, that works. 3425 minus 3x, that's the same thing. Yes. 3125x, will that work? No, because there is no x connected down to this 3425. So we cannot combine like terms, whoa, that are not there. All right, if each movie ticket costs $6, how much does Tim have left? Here's what you're going to do, guys. Pretty easy. We're going to take that 3425. Do you remember the other day how we were substituting or evaluating if x equals blank? Well, here they're saying x equals 6. So let's go ahead, 3425 minus, let's plug in 6, 3 times 6. Okay, well, I know that would be 3425. 3 times 6 is 18, so minus 18. I'm going to take my calculator, do 34, what was it, 3425? Yep, and subtract that 18. Tim has $16.25 left over. All right, so there's number 2. Let's go ahead and try this number 3. Master Tickets is charging $35 for each concert ticket plus $2 service fee for each ticket. Purchased. Kanye purchased X tickets. Which of the following represents the amount of money he spent? So let's just draw a situation to the side. Here's Kanye's ticket. His ticket was $35, right? Plus each ticket has a $2 fee. Okay, so how much money would he spend there? Yeah, $37, right? What if he bought 2 tickets? He still has another $2 fee. So now he would have $70 plus 4, $74. So in this first situation, it says it would be $35 per ticket, right? That 2, though, is saying it's only $2 in general, no matter how many tickets he buys for the fee. That's incorrect because it's $2 per ticket. So how could I say $2 per ticket? Would $35 per ticket plus $2 per ticket work? Yeah. All right. What about these? Do you think either of those would work? Well, if I combine my like terms here, yeah, 37x would work. What about this last one? Think about PEMDAS. What do parentheses mean in math? Yeah, x times 35 would give me that 35x plus x times 2 gives me 2x. If I combine my like terms, will that work? Sure will. If Kanye bought 4 tickets, how much would he spend? I want you to try this one on your own. Okay, we'll go over that tomorrow in class. And we're going to come down here to number 4. All right, guys, number 4 says Sarah bought Sarah bought 3 baby outfits. So that's important. We're going to underline that. That cost $P each and 1 bottle of baby lotion. The baby lotion is $2 less than an outfit. The following is the model of the situation. So the cost of one outfit, this whole thing here is the cost of an outfit, which is P. The cost of 1 bottle of lotion is 2 less than the outfit. How can I say 2 less than 1 outfit? Well, less than means subtraction, so it's going to be P, the outfit, minus 2. Which of the following represents the amount of money Sarah spent? Okay, so I'm going to draw this out. Sarah got 3 outfits. How can I say 3 outfits based on our expressions up here? Well, 3 outfits. An outfit is 1 P plus another P plus another P. So there are 3 outfits. And she got a bottle of baby lotion. Well, here's 1 bottle of baby lotion. I'm going to leave that in parentheses. So, and 1 bottle of baby lotion. Go ahead and circle down below which of the expressions you think would work. Freeze your screen, try it out, and then I'm going to go over these. Will this first one work? No, and here's why. Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 P's minus 2. This is only saying 3 outfits minus 2. So this will not work. Okay, this one underneath will work. 3P minus 2 does not work because it's actually 4P. 4P minus 2 would work. This one right here would work because here are my 3 outfits, and then here's my bottle of lotion. This bottom one would work when you combine your like terms, and this last one would not work. So now they want to know if P equals 5, how much did Sarah spend? Go ahead and try that one on your own. All right, guys, I'm going to have you guys do number 5 on your own. This is harder. We're going to spend a lot of time next couple days going over this and setting up expressions. So if this is difficult for you today, that's okay. We're going to keep working on it, but I do want you to try it. So let's read number 5 together. It says, Anthony and his friends went to a fast food restaurant for lunch. They ordered and ate 3 Big Macs, 2 McChicken sandwiches, and 4 large fries. A McChicken sandwich is 200 fewer calories than a Big Mac, and a large fry has 50 fewer calories than a Big Mac. Okay, so they want you to try A, try B, and go ahead and try C. We're going to keep trying these in class tomorrow. All right, just do your best. If you need help, send me an email.